This next song I sing for you, I love this next song. I actually ran into the writer and I begged him to write me a big old ballad like it because I don't have anything like it in my catalog. And anybody know a girl named Carrie Underwood? Well, she sang this song. It's one of her songs, and we came out both to this event, and she came out on stage and sang this song, and I was like, what? That's my song. I love that song. So I ran into her at the Grammys. I was like, I've been singing your song for a while. She was like, I know. So anyway, I love it. I just think it's such a beautiful song. And if you like it, please go get it, download it, go to a record store, whatever you do to get music. Anyway, it's just a beautiful song. I hope you like it. This is called I Know You Won't. You say you'll change, but I know you won't. But I know you say you're so, but I know you say you'll change, but I know you won't.